Assalamu alaikum. Today we are here railway station in Mecca. We are going to Mecca to Medina Munawwara. From Mecca to Medina Munawwara, almost 335 kilometers. If you're using the bus, they take time almost 7 to 8 hours. That's why we are choosing the bullet train. Non-stop bullet train, they're going only for 2 hours. So now we are here, railway station. We are waiting for the train. Our train is going from Mecca to Medina Munawwara 10 a.m. Now we are using the accelerator to going down. You can see the bullet train is waiting for us. All the Muslim, their dream, one day they will come in Makkatul Mukarramah and they're going to visit Medina Munawwara. Where is the Maqbara for our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? And they're going to stand up in front of the Maqbara Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and give him salam. As-salatu was-salamu alayka ya Rasulallah. As-salatu was-salamu alayka ya Habiballah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Now we are here almost by the train. Our coach number is number 10. So everyone, they are going to the train now. We are here. It's a big train, you can see. This is our coach. We're putting our hand luggage, and now we are here by the seat, and we are waiting for the train to run. You can see how is outside. Big mountain and desert everywhere. Somewhere we can see some dead tree, and the camel also, you see some place. But everywhere is a desert and big mountain everywhere. That is look like a wow and nice. Alhamdulillah. Now we are here, Madinatul Munawwara railway station. You can see how nice and how clean and how beautiful their station. And it is too big. You can see how big. I like it, really I like it. Their discipline is so good. You can see by the railway station how they clean and how beautiful. Now from here we are going to the hotel. Then we're gonna take some rest. After then we're gonna go to Madinatul Munawwara. You can see how nice their airport, how nice their rail station. It is too big. We are going. Everyone is hurry. They are going out from the railway station. They put their president picture. You can see, so beautiful. Their president in Saudi Arabia. Almost we are by the gate. Now we are going out from the gate. They have some shops. They have some perfume shops, some watch shop, some takeaway shop. If you want to buy something, you can buy from there. But really, I like it. I love it. The railway station, I like it and I love it. This is the Madinah Munawwara railway station. Almost we are going out. Thank you for watching the video, and if you like it, you can write something by the comment box. Now we are going out. Outside also they have some shops. You can see. But it's very hot. Today is 46.